Alright guys, so I realized I haven't done an update video in a while in regards to my day trading journey, so I thought I'd do a little live trading futures session. I'm still paper trading, and so you guys can get an idea of where I am at and my growth so far. So I'm $400 down on the month, I believe. But I've learned a lot, and currently it's market open. It's July 8th, and then I'm looking at on the 15-minute orb candle to set my levels. You guys can't see that chart, but I am going to set my levels. NinjaTrader in the background is really bugging me, so I'm going to lower that volume. I'm going to set my orb levels now based on that 15-minute candle, and if you don't know what the orb strategy is, I'd suggest looking into it. It just basically creates support and resistance levels for that trading day, and based on the breakout, whether it breaks above or below, you get your bearish or your bullish bias for the day. So creating my orb levels, you guys will see it as yellow on your chart. I still haven't made any trades today, and funnily enough, I was expecting to start trading for real today, but I'm waiting for my bank to clear and all that. So alright, so one quick thing I'd like to point out is that you'll see this strike zone at the 22900 level. It was respected all throughout the night session, with the exception of these Asian session opening hours. But if you can see, all throughout the night, this level was respected. It kind of bounced off of it a couple times, and we're still respecting it. So this is definitely a level of interest. I'm looking for kind of bounce backs off the strike zone level here, but so far I'm still kind of watching. There's a lot of fluctuation back and forth. It looks like nothing definitive. Guys, I'm editing the video now, and I wanted to give a brief disclaimer. This video is about 3 weeks old, or 2 weeks, I don't remember. So please note that my trading strategy and my morning routine has been adjusted a bit from what you're going to be seeing, but I did want to get a video out there to update y'all with my journey and what's been going on so far. So just keep that in mind, and in the upcoming weeks I'll try to have some live content for you guys. I did start trading with a live account at this point, and I'll have an update with how that's going soon. So anyway, wanted to give that brief disclaimer, and now back to the video. The delta tells me buyers are in control at the moment. We are kind of up, over and under VWAP, so no definitive bias for the day. We saw a huge sell-off from like 9:30 till about 9:40, and now buyers begin showing a little bit of life. And so we're still kind of waiting. Volume's looking hot. 933 was the highest volume at about 8,900. But it does look like we're bullish bias. 15-minute candle seems to agree. And the 5-minute chart, which you guys can't see, has been showing bullish ever since 9:45. Still not enough for me to kind of buy into it. And I'm going to try to identify some additional key levels of resistance based off of the pre-market. So I might get in short here just for the heck of it.
Order
53
submitted.
spot 3, 53 spot 3.
Order filled.
My buy stop right above the orb level. I might get stopped out here fairly quickly, and that's okay. If we do, we'll probably reverse position. But I'm waiting to see what's happening. I kind of bought into momentum there, expecting us to break yesterday's high.
Order
Okay, so
filled.
now I'm long. Kind of reversed my position, my stop loss here. Well, I don't know how I'm 4 contracts in somehow.
We have posted out the Canadian IVP mine report for June 2025 on the feed 333.
I'm hoping to see some buyer pressure. The strategy there was basically, and these are shorts covering, so they're taking profit. So the strategy there was before my stop loss got hit, I switched from shorting to longing. It is a little risky, but seeing as this huge sell-off going bullish, I'm expecting a bit of a bounce back as shorts are covering and now some of them are getting squeezed. I still don't know how I'm 4 contracts in when I reversed my position. I'm gonna have to check on that because that's a little strange to me. But it is what it is. I'm still down for the day. How the heck did I buy 4 contracts? That's kind of... I am hoping for a bullish run here. Let's see what the CBD is showing some sort of pressure now. I got my stop loss about 22876. I need buyers to start. We're seeing some buyer absorption now, which is good. Down here in the CBD, a lot of seller pressure, but buyers stepping in with limit orders. So if this goes green, I'll be confident for a long position. And then typical market reaction is they'll start to go long. But it looks like sellers are not letting off the gas pedal, man. I really want to see a reversal here. Even though sellers are trying to push the price down, they're still getting absorbed, and I might get stopped out here. I'm gonna get stopped out, I think.
Looks like sellers are gonna take this to
Stop filled.
That's not good, man.
We use DVA A.
Order filled.
I'm guessing that's what that is from.
Well, that didn't go as I expected. Alright, so we're about to get back in a trade here. Price pushes up to this orb level. The yellow line is my orb level for the 15-minute candle. And the reason is we broke through the orb level. And usually when we see a retest, that's a bearish bias that we will keep pushing down for the day. So my plan is once I'm in short, set my stop loss maybe right about the strike zone level, and then hope for a continuation to the downside. I'm a little bit more aggressive with my contracts. This is probably not best practice, but the reason is it looks like we're holding this Asian level lows, and I'm not a fan of it, so I might push my sell order a little bit lower because I'm not sure we'll get a full retest of the orb, but I'm hoping. Okay, looks like we will.
Order filled.
Alright, my stop loss, there we go. So I'm expecting the orb level to act as resistance, seeing as the seller aggression was very strong, getting to that level, and we're already in the money here. And then we'll see how this plays out. So far, so good. I'm gonna move my take profit a little bit lower because sellers are just so strong today, bro. It is crazy. Yeah, a lot of back and forth between the 22870 level and the orb level 22890. You got to think about these buyers that got in on the climb up. They set their stop loss below this red line, which is a daily resistance level. So if price gets down here, I'm expecting it to just blow past this resistance. I'm not liking what I'm seeing with buyers right now, though. I'm still bearish for the day, so if price gets back up over the orb level, I might average down here. Maybe somewhere about here, but we'll see how it goes. I'm expecting those orb levels to hold, but I'm not super optimistic
You can
that
check
they
out,
will. Seeing the
all
buyer
kinds of
aggression
stuff,
at the moment.
interviews and videos and all kinds of things.
Good seller absorption now. We are bearish. In sense of trading on the VWAP and also the 9 EMA extension bearish has crossed the low 20 EMA, so I do have that as my bias support, but again, anytime you get bias getting back in, just anyway.
Seems to just have 4.8%.
There we go. Ah, that was nerve-wracking. We're back in the money. I think once we climb back down, I'll set my stop loss to this green candle at about 22985, and then we'll call it a day. I'm expecting to see buyer exhaustion as they set the limit orders and they can't get through.
So the speed of the take picked up right there. This is a play where it's a momentum.
We're under VWAP. If there's negative news with tariffs, if you see a bearish trend line, until you see a reversal of the trend, try not to go long for scalps. I mean, you can get in and out real quick, but you have to be fast. For the most part, it's safer to trade with the trend, to be short. And I'm hoping to see a break of this 22867 level. If you guys want to see, are showing a lot of consolidation. And so once we break through this level here, 22879, I'm expecting to see a push to the downside. And we see overall it is a bearish trend for the day, at least so far. You never know with these markets, but I will say typically at about 10:30 you've already seen the trend for the day established, and then halfway through the day you might see a trend reversal where you go from red to green or green to red. So I do like what I'm seeing, especially with this seller absorption here. A lot of buyer aggression, and then we ended up with a red candle, and now we see sellers starting to come in strong. So I am confident about this trade at this point. I might move my stop loss to this green candle and wait for the action to kick back in.
Eurozone bank stocks hit the highest since
Target
April
filled.
2010, last up 1%.
So I'm break even. We did hit through our target there, and I might get into another short once we come back up. Alright, so quick update on the day. We are now at 11:12 in the morning. We had several washouts. You could see insane amount of activity in the charts. Big washout here, and then we climbed back up, and then another washout. So both of these washouts were riding on the fact that there were tariff news. So Trump's been tweeting a lot about tariffs these last couple days, and it's creating some insane momentum. I mean, if you can catch one of those tweets as they are released, you could probably make some huge amount of profit. That being said, be very wise. I would vouch on not trading on news days unless you're very good at catching, as they say, falling knives, or being able to, trade under pressure. What I was able to do is I caught the longs. So here towards the bottom, once I would see the seller pressure kind of exhaust, what I would do is just kind of ride the wave back up. If you see twice, it kind of did that, where it came all the way down, rode back up, came all the way down, rode back up. I'm currently in profit. I might get stopped out of my current trade. I did see a huge climb, higher lows, higher lows. I figured, well, at least I'll ride a little bit more of the wave back up. But so far, it's just been consolidating. So I might get stopped out. If I do, that's okay. And my account currently, this is my simulator account. So I'm plus 118. If I get stopped out, I'll probably be at 75 bucks. But I am hoping for buyers to step back in here, especially since I saw some absorption in this area. But we'll see what happens. Just wanted to give y'all a quick update and really tell y'all be careful trading on news days or anytime Trump has a hot hand and is tweeting about tariffs and
According to
stuff.
sources here, US Treasury Secretary.
Also, sign up for FinancialJuice, which gives us a lot of insight real time. But yeah, that'll do it for this video, guys. Kind of a different thing. I thought you guys would be interested in knowing how my progress is going so far. So I thought I'd do like a live trading day. I'm sorry that I haven't been posting videos much. It's just hard to do day trading. I'm about to get stopped out. And, you know, it's hard to do day trading, learn, grow, and content at the same time. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned.
So
I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.